This is my 1993 Ford Mustang GT out of 76920 Ford Mustang Dark Horse. I made it for another Grandma's House episode with my brother. You can check that out right here. And I'd probably say it's my best Grandma's House design yet. It's not perfect. The sides is where it really fell apart. It's got a lot of cracks and clunkiness because I did the sides last and I ran out of parts. But other than the sides, I think it looks pretty decent. The back looks pretty good. I got the trans clear quarter tiles and the trans red. I got some exhaust pipes down here. The headlights look pretty good. I got the little Ford logo here too, or the snake logo, or whatever it is. It does fit two minifigures, mostly because it's a convertible, so it has no roof to have their heads hit. Let's do a stability test and see how this thing holds up. I'm going to drop it from about as high as you guys can see, so like right here. Pretty solid. Nothing fell off. Let's do up. No, you know what? Let's not do upside down. This would probably crack. Okay, so we lost a headlight, but that's a pretty simple fix. But as you just saw, it holds up pretty well. So it can be played with, kind of, as long as you don't grab it here for the handle. With nothing more that I can think of to say about this Foxbody Mustang, I'll be showing you guys how to make it for free. Cue the instructions.